What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you're gonna see how to save draft reels on Instagram. So to do that, I'm heading over to Instagram application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and head over to the plus icon in here, and then just head over to any story, any video. So I'm just heading over to it and keep tap on next and tap on next again, and here I'm gonna save it to draft in here, and as you can see it is saved to draft. So if I just refresh my feed again and tap on the plus icon, go to the Reels section, and there's our draft on the top left, and here you can find the draft. So yeah, this is how you can make drafts in Instagram Reels. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.